Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to Super Simple Sunday. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. And a big thank you to everyone who has bought me a cup of coffee, everyone who is supporting my monthly members group, and everyone who's watching my videos and leaving positive comments. Thank you guys so much. Now, if you've been watching the past few days at all, you know that I have been doing a little series of pick-me-up gifts, practical gifts, but pick-me-ups all the same. And that's what I have right here. We have our little box of chocolates. We have the box of hand wipes. We have our personal mini tissue, and we have our lip balm. So many of you requested a special holder for these, and that's exactly what today's Super Simple Sunday project is. We are going to take all of these items and place them in their own custom holder. I used an acetate top to this because I want you to be able to see the beauty of what's inside. But we have a very nice size box that we'll be able to load up with the items that we made, as well as some other items that you might have that you want to put in it. And make sure that you stick around throughout the video because I'm rolling out something different. And what I'm rolling out is because so many of you have requested it. So, y'all know what time it is? It's time to make it. So quite a few of you wanted a sweet little holder for the cuties that we made in this series. And I have decided to make this beautiful box with an acetate front so that you can see everything that you have here. As is, this is an awesome gift to give to someone who might be a little under the weather or needs a pick-me-up. But you can also add in so many other components. You can put in some greenery. You can put in some shredded paper. It's completely up to you. But I am going to show you just how easy it is to make this. All right, y'all, so this is going to be so simple. What we are going to need will be 2 pieces of decorative cardstock, and these measure 6 by 1.5. I have 2 pieces of acetate. It might be hard for you to see this because it is acetate and it's clear. I have 2 pieces that are cut at 5 7/8 by 12. And then I have a decorative cardstock piece that is cut at 9 by 12. It's going to be very simple. We're going to take the 9 by 12 inch piece, and on all 4 sides, we're going to score at 1/2 inch and at 3. That's 1/2 inch and at 3. 1/2 inch and 3. 1/2 inch and 3. And so now we are going to go ahead and fold and burnish all of our scores. And this time I am going to be using the plaid as the outside. And guys, I hope that you can stick around until the end of the video because I do have a fun little announcement that I'm going to be making that I think that some of you will enjoy. So now that we have all of our scores folded and burnished, we're going to have 3 edge pieces on all 4 sides that we need to get rid of. So you need to go up to the 2nd score mark and drag straight down. Then you can angle here. We'll angle here, angle here, and reduce. And we do this on all 4 sides. So for those of you who are new to this process, I am going to demonstrate this on all 4 sides. So let's go up to that 2nd score mark. We're going to drag straight down. We're angling in right here, and then we'll angle here. Angle and reduce. And then we'll go up to the 2nd score mark, drag straight down, angle in, angle, an angle, and then we'll reduce. And then we'll go up to the score mark again, drag down, angle, 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 and reduce. All right, so now that we have our piece cut out, we're going to go ahead and put it together. So by putting it together, we are going to take glue, or you can use your tape runner if you want. I prefer to use glue when I am making boxes that will hold any amount of weight. So I am just going to join these at the corners, and I want to make sure that my corners are nice and crisp, and then I'll go in and just smooth it out with my bone folder. And I'll do this on all 4 sides. So we're adding our glue. We're going to take this piece and match it, and then I'm going to add my glue right here. Make sure that edge is nice and even, straight, and everything is aligned. And I'll do my last one. And we'll go in and get this nice and stuck. And so now I'll fold back these outer flaps. We will take our glue, and we're going to place glue on each one of our flaps. And then I'm going to fold these in and stick these on the inside. And for me, doing this is just a nice way of giving me a finished edge to the top of my box. And so I'll just go along the inside to make sure I have all of these edges nice and stuck. And so there we have our box. Now I'm going to bring my scoreboard back in, because we're going to need to take our 2 pieces of acetate that measure 12 by 5 7/8, and we're going to need to score these on the 12-inch side at 2.5. And you are working with acetate, so make sure you get down in that groove and give it a good score. And then I'm just going to take it and fold it and give it a score. So now I have my acetate piece that looks like this. I am going to take 2 pieces of tape, and I'll put 1 piece of tape close to the fold mark, and then I'll put 1 piece of tape close to the end. And the reason why I didn't cut my acetate at 6 inches is because I need for it to fit inside of my 6-inch box. So now I'm going to remove the tape from the acetate. When I put it in, guys, I have found the easiest way to do it is to take it and lay it down like this, and then just guide it in. And then I'll take my other piece, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to take that piece of acetate, and I have it folded and taped. I'm going to lay it on the inside, on its side, and just slide it all the way in. And now, because I've done this, I have added 2 layers of acetate to the bottom, so I don't need to add any more sturdiness to this. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take my acetate and just lean it to one side, and I'm going to take a couple of strips of tape, maybe 3, And I'm just going to put some tape on the inside of the box, and I'll show you in just a minute. So you can see my 3 strips of tape right there. I'll peel away the tape backer from all 3 pieces, and now I can take this 1/2 here and just lay it down in that tape. Use my bone folder to go in and get it stuck. And now I can do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to take 3 strips of tape and place it down. I found that it was easier to do it this way than to try to place the tape on the acetate and then get the acetate lined up straight. So placing it down this way is what I found worked easiest for me. And now the acetate is stuck on both sides. So we have a nice closure to this. Let's bring in those 2 pieces that measure 1.5 by 6. We're going to score these on the 1.5 inch side at 3/4 of an inch. Fold these. And then I'm just going to use my tape runner to run some tape. And now we're ready to take this and stick it. So I am just going to take it, place it down in that crease, and then I'll fold it over. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to take it, making sure that I have it in the crease, fold it over, and let's get it stuck. And then I'll use my scissors to trim away any excess. And now we have our sweet little box. I am not going to seal this one closed because I haven't filled it yet, but I am going to bring in the one that we have filled so that we can have a quick chat about everything that we have in here. So what I have in mind are 2 tissue boxes, the box of chocolates that we made in a previous video, the lip balm box that we made, as well as the little box that we made to hold mini hand wipes. Now, what's my good news? My good news is that so many of you have been asking me to make my projects available for sale on my website, or to make kits of my projects available for sale on my website. Whenever possible, I am going to start doing that, and I'm going to start with this particular series. So what I will be offering is this kit as you see it. So it will be all pre-cut pieces. I will not put these together for you, but I will have the pieces cut. I will be including everything that you will need to make this entire set, with the exception of the chocolates. The only thing that I won't be shipping are chocolates or any type of food. But the kit that you will receive will have everything you need to make 2 boxes, the box for the chocolates, the box for the lip balm, including a tube of lip balm, the box for the mini hand wipes, including 3 mini hand wipes, which is what I had in this original box. You'll get everything you need to make this carrier, including the acetate and the topper pieces. The only thing that might be a little bit different is the embellishment on the front. Depending on the flowers that I have, your flower might be slightly different from this one, but I will stay within the same family of colors. And in addition to this pattern collection, I will be offering this pattern collection as well. So if you're interested, I will have a limited number of each pattern available. When they're gone, and I will not be able to take any more orders after that point. And guys, I'm just being honest, based on previous history, the chances are these are going to go very quickly. So if you're interested, don't wait. If you see it when it's still available, go ahead and grab it if you'd like to have it. Check the description box. It'll tell you everything that you're going to be getting. So that was my little good news announcement. Whenever I can, I will make pre-cut kits for some of the series that I do on the channel. This I consider a series because we did a whole collection of different items to group as a gift. And here is the undecorated, unfinished box for this particular project that we did today. So I certainly hope that you guys have enjoyed this easy, super simple Sunday project for making a holder for all of those beautiful projects that we have made throughout the week. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.